Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. Let's kick off this comparison with the Donor P08. The microphone is connected to my solid state logic. The gain says 3 o'clock and this is the raw audio from this microphone. This is going to be interesting comparison today. So make sure to subscribe, turn your notifications if you want to see more microphone comparisons. So this is on a flat mode at the moment and no processing will be added to this microphone. The only thing I'm gonna do is gonna be just level up all those microphones that we're gonna see in today's video. Very interesting microphone. We can pick up this microphone from Amazon for a very interesting price of £69 or about $70-80 in the States. Very interesting microphone. So Donor I think is doing a pretty decent job. I do like this microphone now. Actually, it's one of my favorite microphones. So we'll compare it to very interesting microphones, as you can see the title of today's video. So let's continue now with the next microphone. Another favorite microphone is the Behringer XM8500. This microphone actually is amazing because the sound quality is very good. And the other good thing of this microphone is this is a handheld microphone, which actually is gonna cost you around 25 British pounds, around $30 in the States. So the performance of this microphone is very good. Again, this microphone is very popular, so I think it's one of the most affordable dynamic microphones that you can get, and the results will be very good. Again, this is connected to my solid state logic, no post-processing, no filters added. This is the raw audio of this microphone, and actually I really enjoy this microphone, so that's why I decided to include this microphone to this amazing comparison. So let's go back to the next microphone. And now we're listening to the Shure SM7B connected to the solid state logic. Another legendary microphone, which I think is one of the most favorite microphones of any person, I believe. Let me know in the comments down below if this is one of your favorite microphones. This microphone is connected to the solid state logic, like I mentioned already. And for some reason we have to crank up a little bit the volume of this microphone because, as you know, this microphone needs a lot of gain, but luckily the solid state logic saved the days. So currently this microphone shows 9 o'clock, nearly 10 o'clock, but it's 9 o'clock. So I'm pretty enjoying this microphone with the solid state logic. This is on a flat mode, and this is the sound from the Shure SM7B. Let's continue with the next microphone. The next microphone is the Maono AU-HD300. This is another great microphone because this microphone is a hybrid. So this microphone can be used with USB or XLR. This is a very popular microphone. It's being released last year, and it's a very good microphone. I do like this microphone because it's versatile, and the sound of this microphone actually is pretty decent, as you can hear. This microphone doesn't have any modes as the Shure SM7B and the Donor, but we're gonna do more tests. So this is the Maono AU-HD300 connected to my solid state logic, and this is how it sounds. Let's go back now to the Donor P08. Now I am on the top of the Donor P08 just to hear the proximity effect of this dynamic microphone. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? We have a pretty nice levels, and I'm nearly touching my lips with this microphone just to hear the proximity effect. I kind of like my voice with this microphone. So now what I'm gonna do, we'll see the off axis of this microphone, so the rejection of the sound. So let's see if there's any difference of the tone of the sound if you don't have a treated room. So I'm speaking now 90 degrees of the microphone. So now I'm speaking the back of the microphone, so as you can hear, you can barely hear me, and this is the sound from this Donor P08. Another 90 degrees of the microphone, and this is the front of the microphone. So this microphone actually sounds pretty good, and the off sound rejection access is pretty decent. Let's go back now to the next microphone. Now I'm on the top of the microphone just to hear the proximity effect of the Behringer XM8500. I'm even more closer, and the sound of this microphone is just phenomenal, and I really enjoy this microphone, and the sound of this microphone is amazing. As you can hear, I whisper, and the sound is pretty good. I think this microphone will be very nice for ASMR, I believe. And this is the proximity effect of the Behringer XM8500. As you can hear, very boomy and radio vibey sound. So this is the 90 degrees of the microphone. Let's see the back of the microphone. So as you can hear, I think the rejection sound is very good. I believe the donor P08. It's a little bit better, but again, you can hear yourself. This is the other side of the microphone. And now we are front of the microphone. So yeah, this is the Behringer XM8500. I really enjoy this microphone. Let's go back to the next microphone now. So now you're hearing the Maono AU HD300. I am very close to the microphone just to hear the proximity effect of this microphone. And I think this microphone sounds very well and really complements my voice. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this microphone? So this is the Maono AU HD300 connected to the solid state logic, and this is the proximity effect. Let's see the next microphone. And now you're hearing the Shure SM7B connected to the solid state logic. Let's hear this microphone closer. This is the proximity effect. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Which microphone sounds very good? The proximity effect. And if I'm honest with you, this sounds very good. I really like it. But let me know in the comments below, and make sure to wear headphones just to hear all the difference. Let's check the off axis of this microphone. So now I'm speaking on the side of the microphone, as we can hear. Actually, the off axis sound is pretty decent. I still can hear myself, but not very good. This is the back of the microphone, so as you can hear, the sound sounds very tinny and not very good. This is the other side of the microphone, and now this is the front of the microphone. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you think about this dynamic comparison video today. We had 4 dynamic microphones. We had the Donor P08. Also, we had the Behringer XM8500 and the Maono AU HD300. And last but not least, the legendary Shure SM7B. So pretty decent, I think, selection of dynamic microphones. Let me know in the comments below which microphone is your favorite. If you have any questions, I'm very happy to answer any answers in the comments below the like button. Thank you very much for watching, and record something beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video.